And because me can commercial media was see
match in them for Ghana for no.
Sir. But when Muslim Crophonia with social media also. Now Ghana we are qualifying. At the DNC. Sudan for no
Sudan could lose one game no. I did calf the Sudan now make catch us papa.
Okay,
Niger for a bomb games no or man did Morocco. The Sudan for I could do Morocco. I prepare for 2 days. I did bet Chamia Bobo na calf catch on Mumra Togo, no Togo. It's running crana a demo or parkers. They couldn't run. But the M one say
say Ghana be qualified. They say media no go Ghana there no. We share table no. Ghana with 2 points.
As you say Niger sign.
And then Niger wo.
Yani
they are here for them.
It's any Angola no 12 no. E bo fie.
Angola no qualified that
qualified that.
Oh Pepe na say we there near well.
So
na Pepe we there. Where's a miss? Na nya na be ka ha say so ministry no mo ska no mfa ko boy ana anya wa.
Sir John say Angola for no kura jai say bo no mo aye mo sha we sure say o mranjo mo bobo na chipo. You
ni bi.
Last time wash na no ko e kota ko. And you see, there's no reason why we should qualify. Ghana should not qualify. It is imperative that we don't qualify. So we will sit down. Something is fundamentally wrong. Let's fix the fundamentals. But there be a drew any Akobobi. It's 2019 who could drew round of 16. 2021 a film group stage. 2023 a film group stage. And the AFC a film group stage.
There was a trend now, and you can say qualify
so that we can sit down
because
and plan for the future.
From also if a 2019 a round of 16 group stage, ye free more
round of 16,
and now you free more
2021 group stages,
and you free more
2023 group stages.
And it is a buy it into say a pim
now qualify so that we can think, so that people who ought to be thinking will now be forced to think. Other than that, you better qualify near a budget, near the Aquajiska, near film, near a budget. That is the thinking, that we must draw a budget to go and take money. Somebody is preparing a budget or to say church budget 2025 AFCON. It is not important. As a young qualifier, it will serve as lessons. As a John. As to say Ghana, you better pick 6 points. A problem because
Ghana ka no hwan hwan
ye ne Angola e bonne nyame adoma ye ba betrankan ene Niger abo. Now the Nigerians no esa ye ho and Niger she Ghana wa ha be qualify se Niger ne she Ghana Niger se ye ka say or 4 Ghana with 2 nti ono say o be qualify
matches we be see ana
wa bon 1 game more than us ene ye ko bone
die win ya ye be ko 5 points say na me kan say ye win ya
the Angolans jai
ye win ya.
But
Pepe, me, you see, Africa, your football, no,
and you
never be brave.
One question say Angola for the coaching with me Ghana.
Akoma FM,
and you know, we all got a press conference as was you that potato pitch now. Omni boss, the Angola, you have better pitch, no boy, no share or better pitch. Omo coaches no matter target Ghana Jumano. They feel they are better, but Blasters and them fair Juman for mom. Eti oye Juma okay say Hervé René ebe assistant coach. In fact, they lied to us for a physical trainer. Later or resigning our con was on near trying to cast assistant coach. Ye pa yenko check your documents o ministry no assistant. And o pa Juma Ghana na amfa no. Okọ Zambia no Zambia kwaje AFCON. O sa be pe Ghana Juma ya amfa no. Okọ Ivory Coast no Ivory Coast kwaje AFCON. The coaches there they want to prove a point, and one of them Pedro Concalves, the coach of Angola. He's always trying to prove a point. Jumani mu be a you bet me aye. But mo na mo fa Jumana em from. But Sir John, no question we say ene game no 7 p.m. game near about. The odds say Ghana be no far off.
A player I want to see in action. Asante Kotoko midfielder. I just say I love him.
You'll be disappointed.
Pepe,
you'll be disappointed.
How me chancing on Black Stars or training now more videos be. Na boy no say you perceive motivating no.
Only one Black Stars player or control ball a 10 ball long pass with training. Now blaster player back no say yes we ball to kono say no say ufri baby na ba no so fi Olympics na ko to kono there be ufra bruchire and no so there be ya no te ya no ball.
I'm telling you, Pepe. I am telling you that
in terms of
I want to enjoy him in the Black Stars. I'm telling you.
Pogba heydays.
I am telling you. You see, I don't be na. Man, you the idea Kobimenu, England benefit from Kobimenu.
Yeah.
And such a player, Emmanuel Entry. I love him so much.
Pepe,
sika, never
my